All right, I figured I'll do a video because it's way too hard to explain in just a single photo, but if I can get it to focus on that. I've attached this green wire is attached to the ground. The white wire is attached to what I believe to be the positive side because it has this curvature right here. So that white wire is attached there, which is running to my 3.3, 3.2 approximately volts, which I'm getting off of this 4.4, just using a solar charge thing running through this line. So I have a little switch I can switch on and off the battery, and then it's actually plugged right now to USB. Makeshift for right now, but you know, I have good power, I think, but neither of these guys will light up. Now this one, I wasn't sure, so I said, okay, well, maybe I need to plug, you know, is it all the pins need to be attached to ground? Or is it just, like, as I read the instructions, it seemed to say, maybe I obviously didn't read correctly, that only one pin needs to be attached to ground of the other 3 pins. And because of the shape of these things, I assume, let's see if I can find one I haven't touched yet. Because of the shape of this, I assume that the side here, it gets positive, and any of the other 3 pins could get negative, but when I looked carefully, only the one pin seems to be touching the middle, so I don't know. But I can't seem to get any of these to light up. Would love to get a little tutorial on how to make these work. Thanks. Hope this is possible for somebody to look at it and say, oh yeah, plug it in there or plug it in that way. Thanks.